Who wants to go thrifting at the Goodwill Bins? All right, everybody's digging right here. They must have just restocked this wall. This is cute. There's a chip right there. Here's the cover for it. Oh, lots of chips on this. I think I'm gonna leave that here. Y'all, how cute is this little piece? It's a cabin. Look, the vintage greenery. Look, the vintage Santa. Look, the precious little puppy. Okay, it's adorable, as is, right? But wait, look. It's actually a little coaster set. How cute is that? Definitely going in my cart. Here's some china up here. It's a blue and white pattern. Lenox China Stone, Country Blue. It's really pretty. They have these two little pieces right here and these little saucers, a little stack of them. I'm tempted to get these. They'd be cute little trinket trays. You could even put some floral in here. I think I'm gonna put these in my cart and think about them. What y'all think about these? Let me know. Okay, I kind of do like this lamp. Look at it. It's like a piece of pottery, kind of like an urn vase situation. It's actually a really pretty color. It's kind of like a mossy green with a little bit of white coming through. If I bought and sold lamps, I would definitely get this. I think it's really pretty. Look at all that texture right here. I just found this cute little tabletop easel. It folds up flat so I could store it. But sometimes I like having easels because I love unfinished canvas art as well. I have a few of those in my house, and I'm thinking, you know, on a shelf, if I wanted to put in unfinished canvas art, it'd be cute to have an easel, and I can distress this, paint it, make it look older. So I'm gonna keep it. It folds up flat, so it'll be great to store until I have a place for it. Ooh, here's a cute little plate right here. It has lots of staining on it. It has, I think it's marked Lynchburg, Germany. That's adorable. We need that. Okay, let's check out this blue and white plate. A good mother makes a happy home. Mother's Day is coming up. This is adorable. Does have a date on it, 1975, but I feel like that's okay. What the back says, a tribute to mothers. That's so cute. Oh wait, I think it says, oh, this says Stafford. I can never say that word. Y'all know that word right there, England. Stafford. I don't know. I should probably not say it right. All right, these are good finds. We're gonna get both of these. And I found this. I haven't decided if I'm gonna get it or not. It's a very thick, heavy ceramic piece. Mary Engelbert. I need to Google lens it and see. It's really cute for spring. Is it 100% my style? No, but I might still get it. Ooh, y'all, look what I just found. Not just sofa legs, but giant sofa legs. Actually, I think I have some cloches at home that might fit on top of these. This is an awesome find. Check out this triangle purse right here. I don't know about y'all, but when I was in middle school, the colored ones like this was all the rage. Oh, I love these. They're separated, so somebody probably thought they were two separate pieces, which you could use it that way, but they actually go together like this. I've sold them before, and the customer that purchased it sent me a picture of it with a tea light in it, and it was absolutely gorgeous. So you could put something in here, or you could use it as two little dishes. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna head out. I did end up getting the lamp. I don't know, something about it I just love. Maybe I'll find a spot for it, maybe I won't, but I'm just gonna hold on to it for now. I found this cute little Lewin gray little shirt for me as well. Thought that'd be cute to wear over the summer. Got some sweatpants for Brandon. It actually still has the tags on it. Oh, and I got a little softball mitt for Ren because Ryan's playing softball and she comes to all the practices. So I figured, well, Ryan was practicing, I could practice with Ren. But today was a very, oh, look. I didn't even notice they put a new bright yellow line. So when they refill the walls, you have to stand behind this line. But I guess it was fading, so We got a fresh new yellow line at our Good Bins. But today was a great day. I got some really good stuff. Oh, I think I'm just gonna keep these bowls right here. They're so pretty. Look how good they look with wood. I just love blue and white pottery. So I'm going to put a total on the screen of everything, of what I spent on this basket full of stuff today. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.